Hi there, this is Save with Crypto. Okay, so welcome back to part two of the I'm not going to stake Matic with crypto.com anymore video, something like that. Anyway, but just before I do that, I'll just show you the Phemex competition I was in. I was in that Martini guys trading competition. I actually came number 19. It seems like that Martini guy himself didn't win. He actually came second, and someone called Go Away came first. And I'm here on the second page, number 19, Save with Crypto. It doesn't actually say my profit and loss there, but I think that's because my trading volume was less than $20,000. I mean, I have actually got a trade still open there, this one here. This is a Bitcoin long from 21,696, currently $942 in profit. I didn't really have my wits about me this morning because I meant to set a take profit up at 22.7. I think that would have caught this wick here, which would have been great, but it didn't. So I'll probably hang on to this a bit. I did have a take profit set at 23,171. I can't remember why that was actually. I might just remove that actually because I might just leave this now. I've left a stop loss down at 21,747. I do like my aeroplane numbers. So I'll just do that. So that's got no take profit now, but the stop loss is set at 21,747. So if it comes down there, it'll close with a little profit, not very much. Otherwise, I'll just keep my eye on it just in case it pumps up there again. Okay, so Matic, yeah. I need to go over to my phone and send the Matic to Binance. Now, somebody yesterday in the comments was saying, why don't I use staking on the Polygon network itself because it pays a better APR. That's true, actually. But to do that, you need to use MetaMask. And I don't like MetaMask. I don't know why, this thing. I don't know why I don't like it. I think it's because the work I do involves me looking at a lot of websites that could be compromised, that kind of thing. And I'm always worried that I might have some kind of malware or something on my computer, or there might be something where, somebody's found some vulnerability in the browser. And, to actually have like a ton of money on MetaMask does worry me a little bit. It's the same reason I haven't got much on the Maiar wallet extension as well. I prefer my crypto to be either on hardware wallets or staked on some platform somewhere. I don't really like these browser extensions very much. Having said that, I'm going to have to use that with ZoidPay at some point, so there is that as well. I'm going to move to Binance, and what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to split the money into two bits. I'm going to put some into some sort of staking on Binance. I don't know what yet. And the other half, I'm actually going to trade with it, but I'm going to do really safe trades, no leverage, just literally spot trading between probably Matic and Bitcoin. So let's go over to my phone and get started. Okay, so here I am over on the crypto.com app, and this is where I'm going to move the Polygon or Matic from. By the way, if you haven't got a crypto.com account and you fancy one, if you use the link, which is savewith.crypto.org/CDC, you'll get an extra $25 worth of CRO. If you don't use my link, you don't get anything. So you know what to do. So so I'm going to move out the Polygon. I'm going to withdraw that to the wallet address that I set up yesterday, which is in fact my Binance one. So I go withdraw, external wallet. Okay, so that's there now, and I can just go withdraw. And I'm going to do all my Matic. So it's about $1,762 worth. It'd be nice if it was $2,000, wouldn't it? But it's not. Let's withdraw that anyway. Okay, using the Polygon network. Okay, so I need all this stuff. You have to click send there to send the SMS. And as ever, the pacing from the messages doesn't work with this app. 2FA I need. Okay, so that's that done now. So I should see that appear in the Binance app very soon. Okay, so that being on the Polygon blockchain happened really quick, like just 1 or 2 minutes. And I got a notification in Binance saying that the deposit had arrived. So if I go over to Binance now and I go to, wallet fiat and spot. I should see it there. Okay, so I've got a bunch of stuff there. If I hide the small balances, I can see what I've got. Okay, so I've got $1,727 worth of Matic. I've got $672 worth of Dodo, and $30 worth of Cake. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to split this into two. So that's going to be what's that? About 930 Matic. I'm going to put into some sort of earn type feature. Let's do that first. So Binance earn. What did I say? 930. Yeah, 930. Yeah, 936. 936. Okay. So let's go to earn. See what I can do. So Binance earn, and I think staking is what I want. If I put in Matic. Okay. So I've got a choice here at 19.6% APR. 30, 60 or 90 days, minimum locked amount, 0.001 Matic. So let's go stake now, see what I can do. Okay, so let's say 90 days, locked, 936. Oh, well that's rubbish, isn't it? So amount cannot be higher than 250. So I guess if I lock it for less, maybe I can. No. Okay. Well, this is a bit rubbish, isn't it? So maybe I won't do this. Oh, I see. Total personal quota 250 Matic. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll put 250 in there, and then we'll see how it goes. Because it'd be interesting to see if the actual percentage they're talking about does actually work out at 19.6. Okay, so I'll put in 250, 90 days, agree to all that, and boom. Okay, so agree to all them things there. Okay, view holding. Okay, it's $230 worth in there. What I'm left with is $1,494 worth of Matic. So it's 240. So that's approximately 6 times the amount, isn't it? Okay, well I'm going to do some trading with this. So I'm going to trade Matic against BTC. So I can trade Matic against BTC, or I might be interested in Matic against Ethereum. I think Ethereum might be interesting because it's the merge tomorrow, and the price of Ethereum is going to go one way or the other, or probably both, one after the other. But I don't know which one first. So that might be an interesting thing to look at. Let's just have a look at it on TradingView first. Okay, so this is Matic USD looking on the weekly time frame, and you can see, at the height of everything last autumn, it was well high, and it's been on a downtrend since, as has everything. But that's not what I'm interested in. I'm interested in Matic BTC, for example. Now you see here what I could have done is, if I'd have gone back to like May this year when Matic was at a high, I could have swapped it into Bitcoin, then waited till it dropped here, swapped it back into Matic, and then gone up to here, swapped it back into Bitcoin, gone down here, swapped it back into Matic, and be up here again now. And obviously I didn't do that, but that's the sort of thing I'm looking at. So that's what Matic BTC looks like. Let's check out Matic Ethereum. So Ethereum. Matic Ethereum. Okay, well, that looks a bit more severe, doesn't it? So I think this might be the one to go for, actually. So let's have a look. So yeah, you see here, like even from today back to the all-time high, you're talking about a 50% increase with an overall sort of swing of 184%. Let me just compare that with Bitcoin. So do a similar thing just to get an idea. Say from here to about here, 292%. Okay, so the swings appear to be bigger on Bitcoin, so maybe I will go for Bitcoin. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up a trade, not very exciting one. All it's going to do is I'm going to look for the last high, which is this one here from December last year. And if Matic gets up to there, which is about 0.00005627, I'm going to swap the Matic into Bitcoin. Now that's going to be really boring to watch because that's going to take ages to happen, and it will be a 38% increase. So maybe I should be looking for something smaller. Maybe I should be looking for something, just like say 10%. So let's do that. So I'm going to go for 413. So to do that, I go to Matic BTC and I'm going to put in a spot order. So to do that, I just come over to here. So I'm on spot limit. I'm going to make it 413 and sell all my Matic. And for that, I'll get 0.06567939 Bitcoin. Okay, so that's the order set up. You can see that down here, and I'm just going to wait, and that's all I'm going to do today. So if that goes up there, that makes 10%, and then when it goes 10% the other way, I'll swap it back and then see what happens, and then see if after that 90 days, I'll have to work out the maths obviously, but I'll see if the staking proved out better, or this kind of low risk kind of trading, doing spot trading, worked out better. Now the point being with this is what you don't want to do is to trade something like trade a pair where one of them you're not interested in. That's generally why I don't trade against the US dollar, because I'm not interested in US dollars, because I know over time their value is just going to go down. It's never going to go up. It might go up slightly against other currencies, but overall the buying power of the dollar will just decrease forever until it's worth nothing. But meanwhile, I think Matic has a reasonable future. It's not a thing I'm really into, but I think it has a reasonable future. And Bitcoin, I think, is the best store of value on the planet. So that's obviously where I want to have the majority of my assets. So that's what I'm doing with that. Anyway, it's very simple to do. If you use the link above, which is savewith.crypto.org/Binance, that will redirect to my affiliate link, and I believe that gets you cheaper fees, which obviously makes things much better. If you don't use my link, you don't get that benefit, so use my link. And of course, in typical Save with Crypto fashion, as soon as I turn my back, the price of Matic pumped a little bit and the order filled, and now if I go over to Binance, I can now see, if I look at the order history, I can see that this sold here at 41.30, and it's actually currently 41.33 now. So okay, so what it means now is I've got Bitcoin rather than Matic, but oddly enough, if I look at the wallet, you can see here that I've actually still got a little bit of Matic. I've got $30 worth. So I think I'm just going to do a market sell to just use that bit up. So I can just do that by going to trade Matic BTC, and 4134. So let's just do a market sell. So market, so I'm going to sell 32.5 Matic, sell Matic. Okay, so that's done. So if I go back to the wallet, you can see now that it's just BTC I've got now. So the question is, what do I do with the BTC next? Well, I could go back into Matic, or I could go into something else. My temptation is to swap between Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think it's going to be quite interesting over the next few days. Anyway, so if you want to find out what happens, have a look in the next video. I might even start a trading series and call it like, by Binance spot trading or something along those lines. But the thing to do is to make sure you're subscribed, make sure you've got a notification set on all, leave a nice comment, do like the video, very important, and above all, tell your friends.